Hi, Jake with Diode. Today in the garage we're going to be taking a look at a unique new product for the 2015 and up Subaru Outback. Now our engineers have designed a tailless turn module that allows your factory brake, running, and taillights to function as an LED turn signal. Thanks to our friends over at Lufuse Subaru, we have the chance to show you how to install it. Let's get started. To install your module, you'll just be taking out a few easily removed interior trim pieces. Now the design of the 2015 and up Outback means that we have to remove this lower trim piece in order to gain access to the factory taillight. So while we won't actually be removing the taillight, we will need to pull this out so that we can plug in our tailless turn. So to remove this trim panel, you're going to remove 3 screws, one from behind this little latch right here, a second from behind the rear seat release, and a third from behind this cargo net latch. Just pull the trim panel outward. Now you have access to the taillight and you can plug in your tailless turn harness.
Go ahead and remove the factory connection and plug in your tailless turn module into the factory taillight connectors.
Go ahead and test it for function while you've got the trim panel removed. Once you're sure everything's working properly, go ahead and reinstall the trim panel, repeat the same process on the other side, and once you're done, reinstall your trunk pieces and you're good to go. With your tailless turn module installed, you'll enjoy a custom yet totally functional appearance for your Subaru Outback. This module was 100% designed and manufactured right here in St. Louis, Missouri. For more information on this product, visit diodynamics.com or use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.